Let's take a look at this problem. We got the integral of x squared minus 8x plus 2 over x minus 3 dx. If we try to go through our different u possibilities, we don't have Parsec power, we don't have a radical, we don't have Ito power. We got a fraction, but if we set u equal to the denominator, it wouldn't go anywhere. But notice the top part, the degree of it is actually larger than the bottom. One technique to try when that's true is to use long division. So we're going to divide these, x minus 3 into x squared minus 8x plus 2. Now we're going to look at the first term of each, decide what to put up on top. You ask yourself what times x gives you x squared, and that's x. Now whatever you put up on top, you multiply by what's on front. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Now we're going to subtract that line, which means flip signs. So this becomes a minus, this becomes a plus. Negative 8x plus 3x gives us negative 5x. Then I'll bring down the plus 2. Now again, we look at the first term of each side, what goes up on top. So you ask yourself what times x gives you negative 5x, and that's negative 5. Whatever you put up on top, you're going to multiply by what's out in front. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. And negative 5 times negative 3 gives us a positive 15. Now we're going to subtract that line, which means flip signs. So this becomes positive, this becomes negative. Negative 5x plus 5x drops away. 2 minus 15 is negative 13. So we can rewrite this as x minus 5 plus negative 13 over x minus 3 dx. Okay. Well, let's rewrite this into separate integrals. So we're going to have the integral of x dx minus the integral of 5 dx plus the integral of negative 13 over x minus 3 dx. Now the x is fine and the 5 is fine, but over here we have to use the u substitution. And it's where we let our denominator equal to u. So u is equal to x minus 3. Now the derivative of that, derivative of x minus 3 is 1 dx. Okay, well we got an extra negative 13 in there, so let's put that out in front to begin with. Now this is x to the first power, so the integral of x becomes 1/2 x squared. Add 1 to your power, divide by your new power. Minus the integral of 5 is 5x. Minus 13, then the integral of 1 over x minus 3 dx. Okay, x minus 3, so that's going to be replaced by u. dx, dx, that gets replaced by du. So we're going to have 1/2 x squared minus 5x minus 13, the integral of 1 over u du. So we've got 1/2 x squared minus 5x minus 13, and the integral of 1 over u du is natural log of the absolute value of u plus c. And then our last step is we want to plug our u back in. So we got 1/2 x squared minus 5x minus 13, natural log of the absolute value, and u we said was x minus 3. So plug that in, plus c. And that's our answer.